Hey there, I'm going to do a dirty pour today. I've got some colors I need to use up, and so I've got one more canvas. It's a 12-inch canvas. All my colors are mixed by me. I've used Liquitex Basics, Artist Loft, and Creative Inspiration, so it's a mixture of different colors. I've got a cup already used. I'm going to use it to start my dirty pour with. All my colors are mixed 1-to-1 with Owatrol. Easy flow. I'll tell you what, I'll stick a little bit on the canvas, just for fun. This will help the paint glide too. So here's the cup, and so I'll start with a little bit of white. I already have some colors down in there. I don't even know what they are. Do some yellow, hot pink, a little bit of purple. Do some more white. Let's do green. And what's left of my turquoise Cerulean Blue, which is not a lot. And Ultramarine Blue. From high, I'm going to add a little bit of black. Go back to the pink. And get what red I can out of my cup, which is almost nothing. And it's thick. Again, these paints have 1 drop of OGX in the whole cup, not a pump, just a drop. Now let's do some orange, a little yellow, some gold, white, green, black, purple, I think the pink is gone too, but I'll get a little bit more out of there. So this has a little bit of everything in it. I'm going to take my skewer, go across a couple of times. I don't always do that, but this time I am. And here it is. And it may be muddy because of the black, who knows. I'm not even waiting on this one. I usually sit and wait, but the cells popped up pretty quickly, so I'm just going to go with it. Kind of bizarre colors together. I'm done with this one. This was definitely a leftover paint canvas that just turned out not to my liking, but it is what it is. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.